Hola, welcome to Fun for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about some expressions to put your actions in the past. Yeah, and we are going to talk about uh, actions that you've been doing till now and also actions that you did before. Yeah. So let's start with the actions that you've been doing till now. So when you're talking about actions that you've been doing till now, things that you have or have not been doing till now, we're gonna use these. Hace, yeah, and then the time, and then que, and then the verb in present tense. So this ya means already. It's not mandatory. It's actually optional. You can put it if you want. Imagine when you say in English, I I I have done this for already 10 years, right? So for already 10 years. So you can say for 10 years or for already 10 years. So it's optional. Yeah. Let's have a look at these examples. The first one. Hace 2 años que trabajo en el hotel. And the verb here has to go in present tense. Why in present tense? Because it's something that you've been doing, but you're still doing now. Therefore, you need to put it in present tense. Hace 2 años. So this is the amount of time, the one here. Yeah. So hace, yeah, right? 2 años, the time. The word que, this one here, trabajo en el hotel, verb in present tense. So hace 2 años que trabajo en el hotel means I've been working for the hotel for 2 years. Yeah. Hace 5 meses que vivo en Mendoza. So hace time 5 meses que vivo present tense en Mendoza. Like I've been living in Mendoza for 5 months. Hace ya 8 años que no veo a Matilda. It's like hace ya for already, eh, 8 años, 8 years, que no veo a Matilda. It's like I haven't seen Matilda for already 8 years. Yeah. Hace mucho tiempo que no juego fútbol. Hace mucho tiempo is also like a long time. I don't have to specify the amount of time, like 1 year. I could also say long time, que no juego fútbol. So I haven't played football for a long time. The same as in English, long time. Hace ya mucho. So the word time, you don't have to put it, it's optional. So hace ya mucho que no viajo. You could have said hace ya mucho tiempo que no viajo, but the word tiempo it's optional. So hace ya mucho que no viajo is like I haven't traveled for already a long time. Yeah, hace ya for already mucho like long time que no viajo. Yeah. Hace años que María no come carne. Like Maria hasn't eaten meat for years. Like Maria hasn't eaten meat for years. So hace años, for years, que hace años que María no come carne. So as you can see, all these verbs were in present tense because are things that um, like you're still doing or not doing till now. Like Maria is not eating meat, like still not eating meat. She hasn't eaten, but she's still not eating meat. So um, all of these examples are actions that have been or have not been doing till now. Therefore, you use present tense, and this is the most important thing. And you use the hace, time, and que. These three components are mandatory: hace, time, que, and then you can put the ya if you want to. It's optional. And then you put the verb in present tense, and that's it. To talk about things you've been doing till now. Good. Let's talk about the things you did before. And in this specific case, we're gonna talk about the things that you were doing before. Yeah. Um, well, anyways, is with past simple. So in this case, we're going to use past simple plus a continuous because we are talking about, remember, we talked about this. Like this is present here, you're here, and in the past, right? Long time ago, or not long time ago, just in the past, you did an activity during a period of time. So you were doing this thing here, yeah, not any longer. That's a past action, is gone in the past, but you spent this period of time doing this, yeah. So we're going to talk about this example, yeah. Like 2 years ago, I was repairing uh, my car. Let's say 2 years ago you were fixing your car. So you spent maybe a month fixing it, but still it was 2 years ago. So we are talking about these examples here. I could also say 2 years ago I fixed my car. Yeah, I could treat it as an event that happened uh, one time, but I'm not specifying for how long I did it. So that's the when we use this, the past simple continuous is when we are talking about activities that took a period of time. Yeah, in the past, and they're gone. You're not doing them any longer. So let's have a look at this. We have the Hace, yeah, the same one here. Yeah, and then you put the time, and then you put the verb in past simple. That's it. Easier even. You just put Hace, time, and the verb in past simple. In this case, we're going to put in continuous just for the sake of practicing the continuous. Yeah, past simple continuous. Yeah. You could also do verb in past simple continuous. So you can just put the action first, and then you put Hace and then the time. Yeah. It is it's pretty much I was doing something, some time ago. So yeah, for these things that you were doing some time ago, and these things that you were doing, or the thing you were doing, took a period of time. This is very important. Yeah. Then we're gonna use the past simple continuous. Let's have a look at these examples, and yeah, let's discuss it. Hace 2 años estuvimos reparando el techo de la casa. So 2 years ago, yeah, we were repairing or fixing. Yeah, we were repairing the el techo is the roof. El techo de la casa, the house roof. So 2 years ago, hace 2 años, hace 2 años, estuvimos reparando. We were fixing el techo de la casa. Yeah, 2 years ago, we were fixing the house roof. I don't know how long it took to fix this, but I know it happened 2 years ago. Yeah. Also, you could also say, estuvimos reparando el techo de la casa hace 2 años. We were repairing the house roof 2 years ago. That's it. So you see, in the past, you were during this period of time, you were doing something. You were repairing the house roof. Yeah. It doesn't matter for how long you were repairing this roof. It doesn't matter. But the important thing is that it was 2 years ago, and this activity was performed during a period of time. Yeah. Next example. Hace 3 días estuvimos trabajando en el diseño. So, hace 3 días, like 3 days ago, yeah, estuvimos trabajando. We were working, yeah, en el diseño, on the design. So, hace 3 días, hace 3 días, estuvimos trabajando en el diseño. You could also say, estuvimos trabajando, yeah, estuvimos trabajando en el diseño hace 3 días. Yeah. Same example, same thing here. Then, and the last one, let's have a look at the last one. Hace 6 meses estuve planeando este evento. It's like 6 months ago, I was planning this event. So there was an event and you were planning it 6 months ago. I don't know for how long you were planning it, maybe for 3 days, a week, I don't know. Anyways, you could also say, estuve planeando este evento hace 6 meses. I was planning this event 6 months ago. 6 months ago, I was planning this event. So you can switch, the order of the sentence pretty much. That's all. So now you know how to talk about how to, first of all, how to talk about the things you were doing, yeah, in a period of time, yeah, in the past is gone. You're no longer doing them, yeah. So you have a better understanding of the I was doing, yeah, and we use the past simple here, yeah, because we are talking about things that happened in the past and are done. And it took a time, it took some period of time, but that's it, they're done. We're not using estaba reparando, estaba trabajando, estábamos trabajando. No, because that's to talk about the setting, to describe the setting of a moment. Yeah, the scene is different. Yeah, and it's completely different. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. How to practice these? Well, do your Quizlet flashcards, also the notes and writing if you want. Tell in a real life situation, you're gonna tell somebody about the things you were doing some time ago, the things that you were doing. You know, um, you can also talk about the things you still do until today. And the things you were doing, I don't know, maybe you were working for a company, maybe you were studying another language, maybe you were traveling, maybe you were suffering, who knows? I don't know. Things you were doing in the past, and things you no longer do. And you know that these things that you were doing took some time, and that's it. You're not describing here. You're just talking about something that you did, and it took a period of time for you to do it. That's all. So have fun, practice this a lot, and nos vemos en el próximo video. Hasta luego. Bye bye.